So guys, we are now going to do river rafting, and the cost of river rafting is 1500 rupees per head, roughly, and that is what they have charged us also. And 2000 rupees for GoPro videos, that is for the whole boat. So if 10 people are traveling in a boat, then you have to just pay say 200 rupees so that you get GoPro videos and many pictures as well. And if you are coming to Dandeli, I would advise you guys to go for river rafting, and this is really crazy thing which you can do in Dandeli. And if you are a nature lover or a jungle lover, this river rafting will be amazing. So try this, guys. I'm going to post the GoPro video which we took during the ride, so enjoy.
Easy get down guys. Stop. One day. फॉरवर्ड करना है, नीचे क्यों बैठे? बैक पीछा तो लग जाएगा. स्टॉप. चलो अगेन फॉरवर्ड गाइस. Ready guys? See backside guys, see backside! Get.
I hope you guys like the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. And there are a lot of Antarctica videos in my channel as well. So if you are an adventure lover, then you must watch it. So meet you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, cheers and peace.